Furnish your bunker. You can find furniture at the nearby market. Control the time of day and return before dark. Remember, nights are dangerous. Hi guys, welcome back. This is Sean Pengu and welcome back to my channel. And today lalaroin natin itong Dangerous Night, Furnish the Bunker. And our objective for today's video is mapa 100 or mapa 50 plus natin itong ating comfort home. Kasi look at our surroundings. Wala pa naman tayong kaisa-isang furniture. And pag nagmaga na, tsaka tayo look right here. Pag nagmaga na, tsaka tayo lalabas. Kasi apparently at night, there are monsters. That's right, you heard me guys. There are monsters right over there. So, yeah. We'll wait it out in a corner. And yeah, and apparently there are health bars over here sa top. And as much as possible, habang naghahanap tayo ng natin furniture, makahanap na rin tayo ng food and water natin. So, yeah, good luck to us guys. I have zero survival instincts. Not gonna lie. Pero we'll try our best. Hopefully the players here are also nice. Yes. I cannot do this. I'll just hide in the corner. Pero yeah. Let's see. Ay, hindi pa pala. I will give you a tour here. This is my dressing room. But I have to buy it by Robux. And I don't have any Robux. Oh, may second room pa rin guys. We'll try to unlock the second room as well. Oh! I don't have Robux. Okay guys, it's officially morning. Morning na siya guys. Plane will drop food and water on the road. Oh my god. Guys, it's morning. Oh my god, what's that? No, I have to close my door. Help! What's that? Is that a monster? Oh my god. What is that? Ano yan? Ba't natakbo siya ganyan? Ano yun? Isa ka palang Isa ka palang player. Oh my gosh. Open in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh. I need as much as possible. People move! It's my time to shine. No! At least nakakuha ko ng apple. Oh my gosh. Okay, tingin pa tayo dito kung anong mangyayari. Hanap tayo grocery, pharmacy. Kailangan ba natin ng mga gamots? Like, for our sickness? Or pag ako'y nagkasakit, ano ito? What's this? Can I grab this? Furniture aisle. Okay, dito tayo sa furniture. How do I take this? Hold. Okay. Halika na. Let's go. Parang maganda siya. Oh, also guys, we're going to try and make an aesthetic bunker. I mean like not aesthetic but like a cozy bunker. Kasi it's like we are invaded by monsters and hindi pa tayo magiging comfy yung bunker natin. I mean, na tayo pag ganay uno. At we're struggling but at least we're comfy struggling, you know. Yan, lagyan natin dyan. Saraduhan natin yan. Yan, saan natin lalagyan ang ating dito? Dito na lang siguro Q to move. access, change na okay, Q. Oh. Is he? Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's already the middle of the day. I need to go. I need to find. I need to ano. I need to run faster. Hurry up. Hurry up. Ooh. Hala. Ano yan, piano? Oh my gosh, I need a bed also. Okay, first of all, kailangan natin ng bed. Pala dapat yun ang ate siguro dapat inuna, hindi table. Okay. No, it's lagging. Okay. Okay. I need to find myself a bed. A bed, 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 a bed. Okay. Okay, I need a bed. I need a bed real bad. Okay, let's go. Kasi, no! Wala, hindi pa ako aabot. Oh my gosh. What? Look! Nag-build sila up, from above. Nag-build sila from above, guys. What if I should I also build, a floating bunker or what? Like that. Maybe next time. But first we have to finish our objectives. Yes. Okay, so saan natin lalagay ating bed na malaki? Maybe right here? Let's see. Let's see. Ayan. Z. Tapos, ano natin ito, i-move na natin siya. Z. Oh. No, you cannot pick up anymore. Okay, akala ko bawal na mag-pick up. Okay, so, ilagay natin siya dito. Ito yung ating magiging parang kitchen area. No, it's lagging. Hindi pala. Okay. Okay lang. Ayan. Ayan. No, ang hirap naman. Okay. Siguro dyan. Okay. Abot pa ba? Abot pa yan. We're gonna be brave, guys. We're gonna be brave. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, look. Akala ko talaga monster siya. Hindi pala siya monster. Hindi. No. We're gonna be brave, guys. We're gonna be brave. We're not gonna be a coward. Like, invaded na tayo ng mga monsters and everything. Kailangan natin maging brave. Paano tayo makakasurvive niyan pag hindi tayo brave? Ooh. Girl. Kailangan natin, ano magandang chair? Ito. Parang pili ko hindi siya comfy. No. Ito na lang. Sige. Okay. Okay, this is scary. Thank God, wala siyang Wala siyang... Oh my God, that's a monster. Okay. Run, Sean, run. Come on, you can do it. Malapit ka na sa bunker mo. Oh my God, oh my God, kala ko bukas yung aking bunker. Oh my gosh. Run. Okay. Okay, now let's, Okay. Cute. Parang hindi siya maganda. Ano na ating comfort? 15. Okay. Parang madali lang naman pala makakuha ng ano. Okay, we'll sleep na here, guys. Yes, we'll sleep and we'll wait it out. That was scary, guys. That was scary. Also, pasensya guys. Medyo ano yung hoarse yung boses ko. Kasi, ako I have ano, ano ba ang magandang tawag ito? May sakit ako. Low-key. Inuubo ako, inuubo. I'm coughing. I'm coughing. Oh, eh. Maga na. Maga na. Maga na. It's maga na. It's morning. It's morning. Oh my God, it's time to hoard. It's time to get that food, guys. Ayan na, people are coming. People are coming real fast, guys. Kailangan talaga natin yung... Ala, ang ganda nun. Oh my God. Ayan na, guys. Ayan na. Where? Saan? Ano yan? What's that? Oreo? Ha? Ha? Paano yung nalakad? Am I tripping? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, dun siya nalaglag. Naglalag. Run. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's... All for our subs lang ito. Wala kanya-kanya talaga to. Oh my God, what's that? Oh my God. Oh my God, ang cute. Oh no. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Kailangan natin makuha. Kailangan rin pala natin ng lamp. Okay, kailangan rin natin ng lamp. Para sa ating ano. Dami natin kailangan. Also, can I kill monsters? Yun yung tanong. Ay? Can I kill monsters though? Can I kill some monsters? Okay. Ano ito nakuha ko? Oh my gosh, kailangan ko lang lumayas. Kailangan ko lang lumayas, guys. Run! Takbo! Pero what if pumunta ako ganyan, guys? Kung may baril lang dito siguro baka ako magkaroon pa ng lakas ng loob. Pero wala na akong lakas ng loob. Nakita ko yung monster kaganina dun sa store. And I'm like, whoa. Whoa, that's kinda scary. Yes. Okay, saan natin siya lalagay? Dito na natin siya lagay. Kasi, very dark yung corner dito. Ooh, bana. Interact. Yes, there's light na. There's light when you see if there's darkness, there's light. Okay. Okay naman nagsha-shine na ako. Shining. Kailangan ko talaga yung lamppost para dito para sa akin bed. Yes, 35 na yung ating Ano ito? Unlock room. Would you like to buy unlock toilet? No. Maybe in another life. 120 unlock 2 rooms. Okay. I really have to Okay, maybe I have to. I need to sleep. I need to lie down. Ang bigat. Nakakapagod Nakakapagod magbuhat araw-araw. Tapos makipag-agawan ng pagkain sa mga tao. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, bakit ka umalis sa iyong bunker, be? Oh my gosh, kakatakot siya. Ginagawa mo. Sige, patingin. Oh my gosh, ang creepy ng mo. Pero let's see. Hi! Hello, you look creepy pero pasali. Liguan ko kaya ikaw, B. Parang kulang ka lang ata sa hilod. Ayan. Ay, we! Rare Furniture Warehouse will be open in 10 seconds. What? Ay, ayaw mo maligo. Ay! Bakit ka ganun, B? Ano yun? Oh my God. Oh my God. What the heck? I'm not, ano, I will not. I will not, 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 I will not. No. No, they're laughing at me. Pinagtatawa nila ako, guys. Pinagtatawanan nila ako. They know they got me. They know they got me. Holy shakes. Oh my gosh. No. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Stop laughing. No, don't laugh at me. Huwag niyo ako pagtawanan, please. Huwag niyo ako pagtawanan. Ay, hindi pa siya pantay. Expect it to jump above a level. Right. Right. Oh my gosh. They're laughing at me so hard. They were like, I got you. You died. No. They're laughing at me. Nakakagulat lang kasi bakit kasi ganun yung tawa nila. Mawawalan tayo ng content pag hindi tayo namatay. Sa true lang. Pero, try natin. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Run. Run, 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 run. Okay, rare furnitures. Okay, okay. I'll be brave. 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 Oh my God, what's that? Okay, okay, come on. Oh my God! Ay! What's that? Ah, are they scared sa light? Oh my God. What are you? Ah, okay. Okay, that was scary. That was scary, not gonna lie. Ah, are you like the bodyguard dito sa ano? Well, you look scary. You look scary. Oh my God, akala ko players sila, like literal. Okay, but I didn't expect you guys can jump. Oh my God, I don't think I can do this. Okay. Precision, guys, precision. Precision. Oh my God. Okay, kinakabahan ako, Loki. Ano yun? Kinakabahan ako, Loki. Okay, kunin ko to. Hindi ko siya makuha. Oh my God, that scared me. Di kaya akong kunin dito nila. Okay, nandito na siguro ako. Look! He's following me. You're following me. Why are you following me? Okay. Pero wala natin makukuha furniture. Let's go. Oh my god, bunk beds. Bunk beds? I don't need bunk beds. What are you doing? Help! Help! Help me! Anong ginagawa mo? Are you like kicking me out? What are you doing? Help! 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 These monsters are harassing me. Ow! Help! No, ano mangyayari sa akin? Ano mangyayari sa akin? Okay. Oh! Girl! Help! May toxic guys dito. May toxic guys. May toxic gas. Help! Help! May toxic gas. Help! Okay, I survived. Low-key, that was kind of dramatic, but... Ooh. You thought I was gonna die. Oh my gosh. What is happening to me? Ano yun? Ano yun? Ah! I died. Okay guys, try natin ulit mamaya. It wasn't that scary. it was not that scary, guys. I was just being dramatic. Ban kasi? Ay, may ban pala. Oh, yun yung nakakatakot eh. Nawala na siya. No, malapit siya. Ah, saan siya? Okay, nasan siya? Where's that creep? Okay, go. Run. Run. Don't ever look back. Oh my god. Okay, hopefully don't, hopefully monsters won't get. Okay. I'm kinda scared, guys. No! Nawala yung aking Nawala. Bakit ganun? I tried camping. What the frick? I tried camping. It didn't work. Tingnan natin. Let's go. Punta tayo dun sa taas. Hopefully. Look. Oh my god. Okay, so let's sit down and tell you guys. So, I realized that I cannot get a rare furniture. So, babalik na lang tayo ulit sa dati nating objective, which is pagandahin itong ating bunker. And then yung kulang na lang natin dun sa ating bathroom ay toilet. So, wait, did I left my oh my god, kilaban ako dun. Akala ko na ko yung aking nabuksan ko yung aking door. So yeah, yun na lang talaga objective natin. Maano natin ito lahat, maging cozy yung ating bunker. Complete necessities lahat and everything. So I'll be right back para makuha yung mga kailangan ko and I'll give you a bunker tour. Okay guys, hi, I'm back. So it took me a while to get the furnitures that I want. Pero nakuha ko naman sila. And yeah, I'll give you a bunker tour na. Ang hirap niya kunin. Oh my gosh, araw-araw palagi akong namatay dun. Anyways, malapit na magabi. So, ito. Pagpasok mo sa aking bunker, obviously, wait, let me close this. Yes. Pagpasok mo sa aking bunker, tada! Itong aking bunker. So, Exhibit A. Itong lamp, agad ang makikita mo dito. Ito. Yes, you can turn on the lamp. May sink. Tapos itong aking, dito, plant. Para naman, para ma-occupied ko yung space dito, May sink. Yes, nagana siya, guys. Yung aking fridge. Oh, sadly, hindi siya nagana. May stove. May oven. May counter kung saan ako pwede mag-chop ng mga fruits or vegetables. May table. At saka may one chair. May computer kasi dito ako naglalaro ng mga Roblox. Yes, ng mga computer games. And my bed and my lamp right there. Yan, nakita ko. Originally, lalagay ko siya sa baba kasi parang like mawawalan ng sense. Pero diyan ko na lang siya nilagay. And then my sofa and my table and my TV kung saan ako pinapanood. Ang channel na available lang dito ay Sinyan Cat. Yes, yan ang available. And ang pinaka-highlight ng aking furniture is this one. Yes, kasi yan yung aking pinaka-highlight kasi it symbolizes the pain. Yes, it symbolizes the pain that I've been through sa pagkuha ng furniture, sa pag-jump scare sa aking kaganina. Yes. Yan talaga yung pinaka-highlight ng furniture dito sa aking bunker. And then, after that, bathroom tour naman. Ay! Di pala lasaran. Anyways, ayan, nakita ninyo. Yes, may shower. Yes. May sink. Tapos may mirror. May toilet, and my toilet paper. That's it. That's it. And then, na-complete din natin yung ating objective, guys. Look! Yay! 100 comfort. Yes. And I think that's it for the video, guys. So, if you like it, please like and subscribe, comment, and share it to your friends. And, guys, if you want to see me live, you can check out my TikTok. Nagla-live ako doon. Go follow it if you want to. If you don't want to, it's okay. At least na check out ninyo yung aking TikTok. Anyways, that's it, guys. Bye!